ecosystem. This is the new uh, inclusion of this one. We must understand this one that of due to some project or any type of project, there will be it will be connected with our ecosystem. So first of all, we have to understand this one. What is ecosystem? Now, in ecosystem, you see there are the sunlight, open sky, there are the trees, and also you see in the picture there are the plants, there are the habitats, there are the soil, also minerals under the earth, and there is a water bodies. So all the things covered in our life, earth, soil, air, plants, trees, all comes in your ecosystem. Now, environment, the living and non-living things that surround the living thing make up its environment. Ecology is a sufficient study of interaction among organisms and their environment, such as the interaction organisms have with each other and with their abiotic environment. And parts of an ecosystem is made up of all the living and non-living things in an environment. Ecosystem further, what is this? Or we can say abiotic environment. And there are many examples of ecosystem, a pond, a forest, an estuary or grassland. हर जेका बि लाइफ आहे जिते उन जो पंहिंजो हिकिड़ो इकोसिस्टम हूंदो आहे जीअं समंदर जो जेको आहे इकोसिस्टम पंहिंजो आहे ऐं जेको आहे जिते गार्डन या हू आहे या हू जेको आहे सिर्फ़ु ग्रास आहे या फॉरेस्ट असां चई सघूं उन जो इकोसिस्टम पंहिंजो हूंदो पंहिंजो हिते शहर में जेको आहे सिस्टम ॿियो हूंदो ॿाहिरां इहो सिस्टम जेको आहे इकोसिस्टम पंहिंजो हूंदो उते pollution कान्हे हिते जेका आहे the burning of the fossil fuel. These are the different ecosystems depend upon the area and the activities. The study of ecosystem mainly consists of the study of certain processes that link the living or biotic components to the non-living or abiotic component. माना असांजी जेका जिते life exists करे थी उते biotic and living and non-living both are interact with each other. Energy transformation and biogeochemical cycling are the main process that comprise the field of ecosystem ecology. Now these are the pictures represented different all the population that live in an ecosystem at the same time form a community. Also there is a picture of only the water body and the mountains and also trees. All members of community live in the same ecosystem, but they don't all live in the same part of the ecosystem. Different parts है all जेकरे वो सब रहन था पर वो different parts of ecosystem में interacted. Abiotic components are again what are the component of ecosystem? Abiotic means sunlight, temperature, precipitation, water, soil, etc. And biotic component that is primary producer plants, consumer animals, and decomposer fungi and bacteria, etc. So biotic means the life. Abiotic means there is no life, the sunlight, temperature, precipitation, water, soil. And process of ecosystem. Now, if you see in this picture, energy flows and material cycles. The plants, zebra, lion, and so forth illustrate the two main ideas about how ecosystem function. Ecosystem have energy flow and ecosystem cycle material. These two processes are linked, but they aren't quite the same. Now, energy enters the biological system as light energy. It is transformed into chemical energy in organic molecules by cellular process. So, also there is this recycle with the open system with respect to energy. Now, process of ecosystem and what is habitat. You read about this habitat too. Habitat may require the biotic component and abiotic components. Environmental legislature. These are the legislations means the rule or law, environmental law, not the environmental laws for this one. So there is the Introduction to Clean Water Act 1972. A rules taken say asage environment ja, or laws taken, or must be you have in your mind. And henela jo paso tage ikli QEs quality environmental standard, environmental quality standard EQ, QES, quality environmental standards. I will share with you. I already share with you. You must go through with this one and those based on the Introduction to Clean Water Act 1972, History of Pakistan Environmental Protection Act 1997, Sindh Environmental Protection Act 2014.